Okay, we've done lesson 1, 2, and 3, which were the ring with picots. Lesson 3 was a chain, and the chain with picots. I didn't feel the need to make those into separate lessons. Okay, so our lesson 4, we are going to learn how to use chains and picots, chains and rings together. So you'll need 2 shuttles, one for chain, one for rings. Okay? So hold the knot, and I'm gonna show you how to attach them together. That's why we need our hook. So this one I want to be my ring. Wrap it around. Now I've made some instructions of what we're doing today, and here they are. You can also find them on my website at craftsbystarlight.com under the tatting class section. Okay, so here we go. If you look at your instructions, you have a 5 and a dash. The dash will indicate a picot. So we're going to do 5 double stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, let's do that one again. 5, then your picot. Okay, this is important. This is your picot, but to make the picot happen, you have to have one here, but this counts as your next 1 out of 5 that you're going to do. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and your picot and the starting of your next number 1 stitch. So 1, scoot it, there's your picot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Picot. So there's your 3 picots that we need. We just need to do the last 4 double stitches. All right. Now you'll see a CL for closing your ring. So now close your ring, and at the end you will see a W and R, which indicates you need to reverse your work. So you need to turn it. Okay, and flip it over. That way, you're using your chain next, okay, and you want the string to be on top. Okay, so now this time you are going to, of course, make a circle. Not make a circle, wrap it around your pinky. Okay, if this is too long, you'll need to shorten it a bit. Okay, now we're going to make our chain. And our chain, if you look on the instructions, it's 10 double stitches with 1 picot and then another 10 double stitches. So I will do that. 1, 3, 4, 5. Getting too short, so undo this, wrap it back around your pinky. 6, 7, 9. I hate when I drop it. 10. Okay, now we need to do a picot and then 10 more. So here's your picot. And 10 more. The first one was 1. goodness. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now you will need to, we're going to make another ring, so of course you need to flip your work again. So you reverse work, okay? That way your ring shuttle that you chose to be your ring shuttle, the string is on top. That way you can wrap it around your fingers. Get ready to make your next ring. Under, on top, flick. Under, on top, flick. Okay, so we're doing the same ring that was over here. So 5 and then a picot, but instead of a picot, you will see a plus sign. Whenever you come across instructions and there's a plus sign, it means you need to connect something, okay? And it should indicate what, okay? In this case, we're connecting it to the first ring. So we got 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now this is how you connect it. We are connecting the last picot you made on your first ring to this one. So stick your hook in the picot you're connecting, bring through your ring and make a ring over here. Take your shuttle and put it through the loop and pull shut. Pull down. Okay, now you don't want to pull this too tight. If you do, it will it will screw it up here so you can't close your ring later. So make sure that you're able to slide your ring in and out, okay? So connecting was the first part of your double stitch. So to do the second part of your double stitch, so on top and underneath, hold together, okay? Now they're connected. So that will indicate 1 double stitch, so we need 4 more. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I hope you are getting this. 5, picot, that's your first stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 more picot. Okay, pull this open. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you have the connection, 2 more picots, all separated by 5 double stitches. Now you have to close. So pinch your work, pull that string and close it. Okay, what you're going to do is repeat the chain and repeat the connecting ring just until you get it. I hope this is not as, I'm having a hard time explaining, so I hope that you can see what I did. What I want you to do is make a ring, reverse your work, chain, reverse your work, do another ring, okay? And at this point, you will reverse your work again, so that your chain string and your shuttle is on top. Start making your chain. Okay, I want you to repeat this as long as it takes for you to be comfortable with it and comfortable learning how to connect your chains and your rings together.